instead of comparing things to the directrix, we could look at distance to the lattice rectum. Okay. So for example, suppose I had a string stretched across the opening of the parabola through the focus and taped to the ends right here and here. Okay. Then we could actually have that, and we could measure that with the tape measure. Okay. So the question is, if we look at this distance, that's the distance between the point and the lattice rectum. And this distance here, that's the distance between the point and the focus. Is there something that that's supposed to satisfy? Some equation that those are supposed to satisfy. So that's working out through like parts B, C, and D. So why did we do the stuff inside? The definition of the parabola would be to compare one of these distances, and then we're supposed to compare it to the distance from this point over to like some imaginary plane back here, which is the same distance back as the, it's kind of awkward, okay? And we could take a big old piece of plywood or something and put it back there, but that'd be a big pain, okay? And so the point of this guy was, with a little bit of mathematics, we were able to get a little bit of an alternate definition of the parabola where we compare this distance to this distance. And the magic formula was just that the sum of this distance plus this distance should be a constant. So go ahead and make the measurements. Pick some points. Okay. You do want to try and make sure they're in this plane here. If you do one down here, that's going to be like fully three-dimensional, and we don't know, we haven't figured out what that would be. That's bringing